Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. You're watching Queenvarieties channel. Variety is the spice of life, isn't it? Yes. On today's menu, I am serving you a party smoky jollof rice recipe made with turkey. Guys, you're going to love the delicious taste that comes with this particular dish. Don't forget to like, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Now let's get right into it. Thank you.
Very first thing I have here is some parsley, some fresh parsley. Chop them into large chunks and throw into the food processor. Next, you will need some green chili. I have some frozen green chilies here. Fresh rosemary, about a handful of that. 4 red scotch bonnet peppers. A thumb-sized fresh ginger. 2 purple onions. You can use the white ones, it doesn't matter, but this one brings a nice flavor also. I have lots and lots of serrano chilies. I have about 8 of them, 8 pieces of tatashi. I've gone ahead to deseed every one of them. All items I'm using here are neatly cleansed and washed. What we're going to do now is to crush everything here into a coarse blended form. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This is optional. This is a pair of nut cube precisely. Alright, I have here some cardamom spice. You can substitute this particular spice here by adding some dried thyme. Added half a teaspoon of that. I'll bring in salt to taste. Yeah, so the crushed items we made in the food processor, we're going to add a little bit of that in here. You're going to coat everything here with the turkey, chicken, or whatever you're using. Just coat. Cover this pot and allow the turkey to cook down for 10 minutes. After that, we will now introduce liquid. 10 minutes later, 2 cups of water. I will add that. I'll mix and combine and then start cooking on the highest heat right now. Cover it now and cook for extra 15 minutes. I have here 3 tins of chopped tomatoes, and this is exactly 400 grams for each container. At the same time, I have some double concentrated tomato puree, which is the tomato paste. This one here is very thick. I have here exactly 140 grams and I'm using 5 tins. Open them all and transfer to the blender here and blend it, okay? The turkey now is ready. I have transferred it to my oven bowl. I'm going to coat it with some butter just to infuse some butter flavor inside it. It's optional. I'll transfer this right now into the oven and have everything perfectly grilled. Every one of these turkeys should be perfectly coated with the butter. Trust me, you're going to see how different it tastes. Okay, so the back is ready. You're going to turn it upside down and also repeat the same. Oh my goodness, I love the aroma here. Okay, so I'll transfer it back now to the oven so that this area will brown. When it is ready, I'll bring it out. Oil is preheated. I've added some quantity of oil here. It is heated now. I'm going to fry the base of the stew, which is what we have left over in the food processor. All right, 10 minutes later, guys. Just take a good look at that. The sauce has been fried to perfection. To introduce some spices. The spices are very important. About 1 teaspoon of dry basil, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. At the same time, I have aromats there. Pour it in. You can add bay leaves, thyme, whatever you want to add. 1 to 2 good minutes later, everything is okay. We are going to now add the tomatoes. Now, when you're making use of tin tomato and fresh tomato, you have to make sure you cook it very well. Fry this here for at least 20 good minutes, okay? Don't move forward until you have done this completely. Allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes. Now, just take a good look at the buttered turkey. It is now perfectly ready, both front and back. If you look into the stew right now, you will notice oil at the top. This is a clear indication that everything is perfectly fried. This has been taking place for 20 to 30 minutes, somewhere within that range. The tomato sauce I have here is too big. I'm going to remove a little bit because off camera I'll be cooking so this is the quantity of stew I just took out. I'm going to work with this sauce here. I want the outcome of the rice to be very red in nature. I'm going to add the rice into this place. Okay guys, so take your time and coat everything well. 1 tablespoon of aromat. At the same time, I'll bring in salt and then I'll coat everything to mix well. It smells really good. I'll now bring in the turkey stock. I'll pour in the stock. I'm gonna ahead to sieve it, so please make sure you sieve it, okay? So we're going to now combine everything, mix, taste and confirm seasoning. Hey guys, so you're going ahead to add some more water to the pot in case your stock is not enough. But here I have some goat meat stock. I'm going to add the goat meat stock, okay? Some stock I have left. I don't want to waste it. That's why I'm adding the goat meat stock to the rice. Notice that the liquid I have here is almost the same level with the rice. Cover down and cook. Once the rice comes up at the surface, that is in the next 5 minutes, I will then foil it up. So it's about 5 good minutes right now. You can see that the rice has come up at the surface. So I'm going to add some peas here. Once the mixing process is done now, because you see we have a lot of moisture here, so we're going to use the moisture we have here to complete the cooking of the rice. So please make no mistake, don't add water here. My cooker settings is between 0 to number 9, and right now I am cooking on number 1 heat. I have a baking sheet. I'll just use this and cover it. Do not open the pot for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll come back and show you the outcome. Welcome. Alright, so the rice is almost ready. So I've been cooking for like 40 minutes right now. I want the cooking process to go faster, I use hot water, but I use cold stock. The butter is going to add some flavors to the rice. If you don't want to use it, you can just keep it. You're going to love the aroma of this rice. It smells really good. You can see how moist the rice is. It's so moist. I don't want the rice grains to be hard. I want it to be soft but not mushy. I'll just mix well and allow the rice to burn a bit, like just for 2 good minutes burning of the rice. I'll cover for just 2 minutes for the butter to, incorporate well. At the same time, I want the rice to be a bit smoky. It's on the highest heat now, cooking for just 2 minutes, and then my beautiful people, you're welcome back. 2 minutes later, oh my goodness, you can see that smoke coming out from the jollof rice. That means it is ready. From the jollof rice is now smoky in nature. Yes, you can see that smoke zooming out of it. That's exactly what I am going for that smoky party style method. Yes, it means that every jollof rice grain here is going to have that flavorful, smoky appearance or taste. So the rice is now ready. I'll turn off the heat and go ahead and serve.
Thank you so much for spending time with me. Here we're going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. Guys, this rice turned out fabulously amazing. It tastes great, so delicious. You will enjoy that smoky feeling that comes with it. In fact, the family did justice to this dish. It was super yummilicious. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay loved. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Please share my video with your friends, like this video, comment, and also give me your feedback. Bye for now.